Welcome to the pit stop. Today we are talking about rear mudguard easy wheels. And today you can see that the customer, when he sent in the bike literally have very little clearance for the rear mudguard from the rear mudguard from the floor. This is because he has changed the front easy wheels, the frame easy wheels to a 60mm, and then the rear he did not change, and now the bike is slanted downwards. And he has to change to a 60mm easy wheels. Okay, my preference is still the double easy wheels to provide better or broader base. And this is what happened to the bike that is slanted. The front wheels is now resting on the floor, as you can see. So when it's resting on the floor, you can see that the chain and the spokes are rubbing against each other. As you can see, chain and the spokes are rubbing against each other, and you can see that when the front wheels start to spin, you can see that the spokes hits against the chain. Two things will happen: the indicator pin chain will snap, or the spoke will break. So my recommendation is to have the rear mudguard changed, the rear mudguard easy wheel changed, and then once you have it propped up, and the whole bike will be able to roll on the easy wheels itself. Okay. Thank you for seeing our video. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up.